I'll be unboxing the JBL Tune 770NC headphones right now. Let's see what's written on the box. By Harman, which is quite nice to see. Your music, noise free, adaptive noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.3, and it also won the Design Award by IF in 2023 and Red Dot Award winner in 2023 as well. It's got ANC and 70 hours of battery life, as you can see. So here it's written wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free cords, and yeah. Let's look at this side. We got the JBL equalizer inside. We got smart ambient mode and audio video modes available. We also got a dedicated app for this. It's available on both Google Play and the App Store. Dare to listen. And it's actually priced at 10,000 rupees, and I got it for 6,400 from the Cinderella imported shop. So shout out to them. It's not sponsored or anything. So in case you want to buy anything cheap, this is the go-to place for you. That's the box. Let's just put this to one side and check the contents of the box. We also got a USB A to C cable. It's pretty standard, short cable. We've also got the 3.5mm headphone jack to a proprietary jack over here. Use it in the wired manner. And this is some standard quick start guide and some paperwork. Let's take it out of its cover. Would you look at that? We've got the right and left symbols over there for easy recognition. There's the JBL branding. There's the pause, play button, the volume increase, decrease, next track, previous track buttons, the headphone jack for when you want to listen in the wired manner, the ANC button, which is very important in this sort of price range, and we've also got a power button. All of them are on the, as you can see, right ear cup. The cushion is soft and comfortable. Feels comfortable. Stay tuned till the end for a full review.